Hello friends! Let's learn how to make me step by step. And then I'll share a super fun fact about myself. Hey friends! Before we hop into today, don't forget to click the subscribe button below so you never miss super fun video. Did you know, I can leap super far, almost like a tiny green superhero? And guess what? I don't drink with my mouth. I soak up water right through my skin. Please subscribe my channel for more create and learn videos. Bye bye.